That was a good run, but now it's time to get food. So today, my takeout craving brings me to the Smokery Kitchen and Bar here in Stouffville, Ontario. They feature elevated takes on smokehouse favorites like beef brisket, pulled pork, ribs, all of that good stuff. But today, I got something special. Today, I'm checking out their honey fried chicken. Today we ordered from their takeout menu and got fried chicken, the Brussels sprouts, Caesar salad, and cornbread. I'm so excited and can't wait to share this with you guys. But before that, let's take a look at how we place an order with the Smokery Kitchen and Bar. Now, during all of these social distancing requirements, the easiest thing to do is to follow them on social media. I'm here on their Instagram page. Let's click on this post and have a look. So what the Smokery Kitchen and Bar does is they post on their social media what they're offering for the following week. So it does take a little bit of planning, but trust me, once you taste the food, you'll see that it's totally worth it. They have a set meal to go, which serves recommended 4 people. In this example, this week they're doing smoked beef brisket, but it also comes with sides. It even comes with dessert. Of course, they also have a favorites to go menu. This pretty much stays the same week over week, and it just has a lot of their classic favorites. Pick whatever you want. They're all $10 each. You can either make a combination of those things for your meal or get the set meal and add a few items from here if you're serving more than 4 or just have a big appetite. They also have wine and craft beer. Once you've decided what you want, make sure you place your order by email before Tuesday at noon the week you want your food. Let them know in the email if you're picking up your takeout either Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, and they'll send you back a confirmation, usually either the same day or within 24 hours. Place your order. Your food will be ready by 5 p.m. on the day you suggested, and you've got a fantastic meal. Enough of that. Let's take a look at some food. That's some good fried chicken. So despite being takeout, it's still crisp, got that nice crunch, still juicy and warm. It's so moist. You know I'm really enjoying this. It even comes with an extra honey sauce, so if you like it a little more sweet. It's nice. It's got that real honey taste. I like mine pretty much the way it is, but if you do like that sweet, true honey taste, then definitely cover your chicken with that sauce. It's fantastic too. And now the cornbread. It's nice. I like this because it's got the right amount of denseness. And sometimes you get those cornbreads and they're really mealy. This one isn't that. It just has like just a little bit of texture, not too much grit. It's sweet, but not overwhelmingly so. Like it doesn't remind you of a cake or anything. Goodness, I'm stuffed. That was a fantastic fried chicken meal. Big thanks to Chris and the team at the Smokery Kitchen and Bar for this delicious meal. I hope by watching these videos, you're encouraged to go out and try some of the local restaurants in and around your neighborhood. Here in Markham, we have a really fantastic local food scene. Obviously, during this global pandemic, our thoughts are going to be with those people who are battling this illness and those people working on the front lines. But let's not forget that this is also affecting our local economy. And so if you have a chance to get out there and maybe take a break from cooking for one night, go out and hit up the Smokery Kitchen and Bar or another local restaurant. I think that's a great way to come together as a community. I want to give a big thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give it the thumbs up. And if you have a fried chicken place that you like, or if you've been to the Smokery before, please, by all means, leave a comment and let me know that, if you've tried this before or where you like to go, and let's get some conversation going around some local businesses and other great places for delicious food. Thanks again for watching. Have a fantastic week. I'll see you soon when I get food.